Hello everybody. Today we continue with our lesson we learn together. Now this video we will learn about rich text block. We also already learned text block. Now we continue with other element that is rich text block. Okay. This is the last video. Now I remove it. Okay, now we learn about rich text block. There are three: rich edit box, rich text block, and rich text block overflow. But today we just learn about rich text block. Okay, and yes, this is the element of the rich text block. This also used similar to the text block. It's only displayed to the user with style, but cannot input. User cannot input the value in this block. Okay, let us try properties. There are several properties work with it. Okay, let's first apply the name my rich text block and other change add property font size 18 other property is text select enable true. That means the user can select text in the rich text block. We need some property. Okay, the last one we just need text wrap. Wrap and wrap. Wrap whole word, wrap and no wrap. Okay, choose wrap. And we said it's similar to the text block, but where is the text? It's the core of the text block. If you write the element text block, okay, the text is the core property of the text block. Why? If you don't have the text property and apply the value to this property, you can't see anything. But in text block, we don't have text property, but we need inline element. There are several inline elements in the text block. I will show you one by one. Okay, the first one is paragraph. And in paragraph, we have more than one inline element. Okay, now start with run element. This is a simple text in a rich text block. Now, just save it and try to run application. Oh, something wrong? Oh, I'm sorry. We just cut here and Ctrl Z. Sorry, we should create different page for each element. Just said, wow. Right, click block. Okay, just save it and go to the page folder, create new WinUI page and set name of block. Read text block page. Okay, and Control V and try to pass some property of stack panel. Okay, right here, copy and paste and close stack panel, and then try to move read type block inside stack panel. Okay, format, yeah, Control KD, it's format for you, and go to app menu code, and change page to reach text block page, and just save and run. And run. It should be work. Oh, work very well. Yes, reach. Now go to our page, remove text box page, add some more, add CS, and try to remove paragraph. Okay, remove paragraph. Now remove paragraph and just try with run. And so, oh, error. Why you type run cannot be added? Okay, value type run cannot be added to the collection or dictionary type of block collection. So we can use run element directly in RichTextBlock. We need paragraph. Okay, in paragraph there are several inline elements. This is the inline element of the RichTextBlock. This is the inline element of paragraph. And save and look at app again. Okay, now try new one. We try bold. Okay, bold, and this is bold element. Okay. Save and go to app. This is bold element. And try the element. Okay, italic. Try this is italic or yeah, italic word or element or inline element. Just save it. Look at the app. Yes, this is italic inline element. If you remove here, if text select enable true, if it change true to fail, and then you cannot select it. Look at the app. No, still. Just rerun again. And you see italic. Try to select. No, you can't select it. Okay, you can try yourself. And now I change it through. Easy to understand when I explain about the inline element. And again, okay, we can select now. And go to other inline element. Line break. And run. Test. This is the text after inline element line break. Okay, save and go to app. Yes, break line. Okay, it's a new line break. And we go to the inline element in the text block, we have hyperlink, and in rich text block, we can also call hyperlink too. Okay, try hyperlink. And now create UI and type HTTP f www.google.com, and we need to click run or direct text or string. So click here to go visit google.com. Okay, just save it and look at the app. Yes, just click this. Yes, now we go to Google. Okay, and continue with the new one. Try. Okay, we can have multiple paragraph. It's paragraph 1, and I try to add another paragraph and paragraph and run. This is other paragraph. Just save it and look at app. Yes, it's other paragraph. And we can store image too. We can use okay, inline here. Now I use inline. It's version, I don't know. Inline UI container. Okay, we try again together. We try it together. Inline and inline UI container. That means it can contain like image or something else, but I always use with image. So try with image source, and find the logo here. Where is that? Store logo. Okay, store logo. Store logo, and close image. We need some properties. We need high 100 with 100 and vertical align bottom. Just save it, and you wonder why. Where is the logo store? Here, look at the Project Explorer, Solution Explorer, and you see the asset here, and this is the store logo.png here. Okay, now look at the app. No, it's web. Now we look at store logo. Yes, it is store logo, and stop and rerun again. Yes, it's the same. It's store logo. So in the RichTextBlock page or RichTextBlock element can be stored a lot inline element like run, but before we store some inline element, we need to store all of it in the paragraph. You can have multi-paragraph or more than one paragraph in the RichTextBlock, and you can style it with run, bold, italic, line break, run, hyperlink, etc. and you can find more in document. And we can also store image in inline UI container. Image you can use directly in the paragraph, but you can store image in the UI, inline UI container in the paragraph. Okay, this is the video that show you how to use RichTextBlock. It's just only to show to the user, not allow the user to input. Okay, thank you everyone for watching. Goodbye.